How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be installing these wing risers. Now I really like these, but the problem is I actually tried installing these once and I broke the screw mounting points. Only on one of them, which is in front of the camera right now. But I'm going to try reinstalling these and using some 3M tape or something like that to help. I don't like using tape because I feel like it's kind of hack. I really want to install these because I spent a lot of money on them. These were actually custom made because they're not the tall ones like the GT4s. They're like low profile ones. I want to put those on. I want to mark where this, whatchamacallit, like would go over the hatch. I'm actually not going to buff it. I'm going to finish polishing the car. I don't want to spend any more time on the paint because I spent a lot of money on buffing pads and buffing wheels and it came out good, but I don't want to spend any more money on it because it's just not worth saving that paint. The whole car needs to be repainted. The clear coat's gone. I'm just going to install what I have and then eventually I'll paint the car. The only problem I'm having is that there's white residue left on this rubber over here. Now, I did see a little trick on YouTube where you get an eraser and you literally just erase it with just a little bit of water. I tried it on my Honda and it worked really well, but it's not working on this trim over here. So I gotta figure out what to do. I might get some Scotch-Brite pads and try to clean it up. But for now, I'm just gonna focus on putting the wing risers on and, you know, putting all the components like the body and the interior back together because I actually still have interior pieces. These are the interior pieces. They just need to be cleaned up and reinstalled. I need to get like the grommets or whatever to put them back on. So these need to be cleaned and reinstalled. I even have the carpet that goes in the back. They're all sitting outside. They're really dirty now, but you know, I'll give them a good cleaning. This actually kind of sucks because it's cracked. I'll see if I can like pop it back. This was actually broken before, so there's actually like spiders and stuff on it. So this is actually cracked from before, so I didn't even do that. So I just put them in, but I accidentally lost the screw somewhere inside the hatch. So we're gonna figure out how to get that up. I don't want to leave that in there. Kidding me? The only way to take it off is to take the hatch off. Time to get creative. Okay, this is more flexible, so let's try that. Oh. Okay, alright. Okay, I see what's going on here. You wanna fight me? Oh my god, that's heavy. Okay. All for a bolt. Is it worth it? I don't know. My back. Okay. Never, ever do that without a second person. Oh, that sucks. I wish I could replace this with the carbon fiber one. It would be way lighter. Probably should have took the arms off first. But you know what? Fuck it. You know, these struts are probably the only thing holding this in. But that's okay. Please do not fall. I had a feeling that that was going to happen. But what'd I do? I ignored it. Don't do that with an engine. You do that with an engine, you die. I don't know why you do it with an engine. I don't know. Just for a bolt, people. Just for a bolt. See what happens when you work on cars? You're going to do one thing. You're stuck. You go to do one thing, and then you end up doing a whole nother thing entirely. Okay, let's get this bolt out. I just broke it. Fuck. There's the washer. Where's the bolt? Come on. Alright, well I guess this is on the ground. I can put the spoiler on the hatch, so it wasn't a complete waste. Yeah, don't do what I do, because then you end up hurting yourself, and that's not good. Sadly, I'm the only one who can do this right now. My dad's working, so yeah, I'm gonna install this. Fuck, I put it on wrong and it's stuck on there. Oh, I broke it. How the hell did you get it off? I didn't even press it down that much. Come on, are you kidding me? Okay. Alright, Gino. Time to get creative again. Alright, so I have a little bit of an issue. Since I got that 3M tape stuck, I said screw it, I'm just going to take the tape off. I drilled a hole instead so I can put a bolt through so I can like remove it whenever I want. Problem is I don't even have a bolt. So now I need to go to the hardware store and get a bolt, and it looks like it's going to rain. So I have to hurry. Alright, so I just assembled the rear hatch back together. Am I satisfied with it? Not really, but you know, it is a learning experience. I did fuck up a lot, but you know, it's whatever. You know, I'm learning. It's my first ever build. I drilled that too much and I cracked this. I learned on this side. This side I did really clean, and you know, that kind of sucks, but you know, it is what it is. I stained that with glue and whatever. I mean, it is what it is. I live, I learn, but it's all even. Like, I got it perfect. I got the side riser things on, and I'm going to attempt my luck at trying to put it back on the back of this car by myself. So this is how it came out. This is the final product. I'm not too happy with it. It could have came out way better. Like I said, I broke this. I can fill it and like fix it, but it'll take a while for that to actually happen. I mean, this came out fine. The wing came out alright, you know, not too bad. Again, the paint's not in the greatest condition, so. But, you know, for what it is, it came out really good. Like, this is super sturdy. And I guess, yeah, this is the final result. So, yeah. I cleaned all the interior pieces. I didn't put them back in yet, but I put the carpeting back in there, and I washed all these interior pieces, and they're just going to sit here overnight and dry. This is cracked. I'm just going to put it the way it is. This car is not going to be perfect, especially on the budget that I'm on. I just don't have enough money to make this car the way like I want it to be, like, and do as much detail as I want. Like, whenever I take something apart, I have to put it back together because I don't have a garage. I'm just working outside, so like I kind of need to do things quickly, and I really don't like to do things that way. But it's, you know, it's all I have to work with. So it didn't come out too bad for a backyard job. It came out pretty good. I used a heat gun to get that rear spoiler straight. Eventually, when I get the car painted a long time from now, I'll clean all that stuff. I don't know how to say it. I'll like fix all the imperfections and stuff like that. But other than that, I mean, came out pretty good. Not terrible. I like it. Like I said, not completely perfect, but you know, it's getting there. It's a project car. Whenever I mess something up, it's a learning experience for the future, and I hope I will not make the same mistake again, even though I probably will. But that's okay. That's why I'm here. I'm learning, and yeah. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. I was kind of stressed throughout the whole thing because I was trying to do it before it got dark. I'm successful in that feat, so yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed, and I'll see you next time for the next video. Peace out.